Hey friends, I am Anjali and today's topic is Second Anglo-Maratha War. So let's start.
The Second Anglo-Maratha War, 1803 to 1806. The second phase of this struggle was intimately connected with the circumstances created by the French menace of India. Wellesley, who came to India as Governor-General in 1798, was an imperialist to the backbone and believed that the only possible way to safeguard India against French danger was to reduce the whole of India to the position of military dependence on the company. He relentlessly pursued that objective by the infamous subsidiary system of alliances. The Marathas refused all offers of the Governor-General for acceptance of the subsidiary alliance, but were driven into Wellesley's trap by their internal differences and criminal self-seeking. In March 1800, Nana Fadnavis, the chief minister at Poona, died. With him, remarked Colonel Palmer, the British resident at Poona, departed all the wisdom and moderation of the Maratha government. Nana had well understood the inherent danger of England's intervention in Maratha affairs and declined all overtures for a subsidiary alliance from Wellesley. Freed from Nana's allegiance, Baji Rao's war's qualities found a free play. With his fondness for intrigue, the Peshwa sought to keep up his position by putting the Marathas chief one against another. However, Baji Rao was caught in the net of his own intrigues. Both Daulat Rao Sindhai and Jaswant Rao Holkar sought free eminence at Poona. The Scindia prevailed at first and the Peshwa passed under his virtual control. On 12 April 1800, the Governor-General advised the resident at Poona to exert his utmost endeavours at engage the Peshwa to include a secret treaty with the company offering British help in turning out the Scindia from the Deccan. The Peshwa did not accept the offer, and in May the resident reported that no consideration but that of unavoidable of imminent destruction will induce his Peshwa's assent to the admission of a permanent subsidiary British force into his dominions. Events took a serious turn at Poona. In April 1801, the Peshwa brutally murdered Vithuji, the brother of Jaswant Rao Holkar. This brought the Holkar with a large army in the field against the Peshwa, and the combined troops of the Peshwa and the Scindia were defeated on 25 October 1802 at Hadapsar near Poona. The Holkar placed Vinayak Rao, son of Amrit Rao, on the gaddi of the Peshwa. Baji Rao II fled to Paysan and on 31st December 1802 signed a treaty of perpetual and general alliance with the English.